Hi guys! A day of my life with my autism son. It's early morning again, today is Friday. A very special day. First time ng anak kong may autism sa physical education class. Yes, his first time. And as a mom, I was nervous. But also excited. Baka mahirapan siya. Baka ma-overwhelm. But he surprised me. Pagpasok pa lang sa school, I saw something in his eyes. Curiosity, courage, at konting kaba. Pero hindi siya umatras. He stood there, watching the others. Then slowly, he joined. First time niyang gumalaw-galaw kasama ng iba. First time niyang makipaghalubilo sa maraming mga bata. First time niyang ngumiti habang gumagalaw. In that moment, I realized, this is not just a PE class. This is a breakthrough. This is hope. This is growth. Hindi man siya kasing bilis ng iba. Pero bawat hakbang niya ay puno ng tapang. Hindi man siya sumigaw o sumabay sa ingay. Pero ang katahimikan niya ay nagsisigaw ng pag-unlad. To my son, you did it. You showed up. You tried. You moved. You grew. And for us, that is more than enough.
After Invaison's AC class diretso kami sa Plaza General. Isang simpleng lakad just to relax and enjoy the fresh air. For Invaison, who has autism, moments like this are so important. They help him calm down, move freely, and simply enjoy peaceful environment. Sa mga magulang na tulad ko, alam kong bawat minuto ng tahimik at masayang bonding ay mahalaga. Hindi kailangang magastos, basta magkasama, sapat na, just relax. Feel the sun, the breeze, and the joy of a simple day. This is our little journey. From Z to peace of mind.